Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to fix the Real Racing 3. Please connect to a Wi-Fi network to download error so you can get back to racing quickly. First, make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Mobile data won't work for the initial download or large updates, so check your Wi-Fi signal and reconnect if necessary. Next, clear the cache of the Real Racing 3 app. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Real Racing 3, Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear temporary files. Check your device's storage. If your phone or tablet is low on space, the game may not download properly. Delete unused apps, photos, or files to free up space. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple reboot fixes network or app glitches preventing downloads. If the issue persists, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your network connection, or try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network to rule out router issues. Finally, ensure that your app and operating system are updated to the latest version. Outdated software can cause download restrictions or errors. By following these steps, you can fix the Real Racing 3 Wi-Fi download error and enjoy the game again. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.